Find or read reviews that people are talking about AUTO-VOX RV backup camera wireless, with 7-inch HD split-screen monitor systems. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 7-inch HD monitor with vivid image restoration. 7-inch RV backup camera wireless monitor with advanced chips provides a clear and natural image to avoid any distortion, making a flawless parking and driving experience. The image could be flipped between a mirror, rear view, and facing, front view. You can install the wireless backup camera on the front of your car to avoid any blind spots. Strong long-range wireless signal transmission. RV camera system wireless with a strong antenna solves the issue of lag or flicker even at high speed, making driving more convenient and safe. The RV backup camera can be reversed or long-term observation used under 40 feet, like RV, fifth wheel, truck, trailers, or campers. IR enhanced night vision for parking safe. Wireless backup camera for RV uses 2 IR lights with advanced sensors to avoid the camera glare. RV camera works with 135 degrees wide view angle, avoiding narrow or distorted, which is easy to check a full image with more details at a glance. A backup camera for truck. RV can illuminate the rear view image within 3 meters even in complete darkness to see all obstacles behind your car, improving parking safe. Second trailer camera to meet different observation needs. Trailer backup camera with monitor supports 2 cameras input and features a split screen to show 2 videos simultaneously. You can install 2 wireless trailer cameras in different positions of one vehicle to cover more blind spots. Note: the second wireless backup camera for truck needs to be purchased separately. Easy DIY installation within 30 minutes. No needs to run long cables through the vehicle. Just 2 steps for DIY installation. 1. The backup camera monitor can be connected to power from the cigarette lighter or fuse panel. 2. Connect the wireless backup camera to a reverse light for backing up, or a portable power source for continuous use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.